Okay, now we'll take the practicals on the unit 1 and then unit 2 programs. Okay, so this program already I have explained on the paper. So what is the first program? So Python program to find the largest among the three numbers. Okay, so if you want to take values in the program, you remove the comment. Okay, now what I am adding a comment here. So simply add comment here. So when you take a comment, the statement is going to deactivate it. Okay, so hash, and then so you give hash. Now, so what is the program? So this is the program to find the largest among the three numbers. Okay, run the program. So which is what will be the output? 14 will be the output. Okay, so if you want to take a values dynamically, then you deactivate hash. So again hash. Now take values dynamically using input. Okay, using input like this. Okay, so then it is going to ask enter the three inputs. Okay, run the code. So take some 4, take some 2, take some 7. You press enter one more time. So what will be the output? So the largest number is the 7. So in this way you have to execute the first program. Second program, so first of all tell me what is this environment. This is the Google Colab. Okay, you have to open the Google search engine. So there you type Google Colab, then you have to open this file. Okay, this is a notebook file in the Google Colab. Okay, second one word. So Python program to display the all the prime numbers between the interval. Already discussed in the previous video how to solve this problem. Okay, so now I am taking I have to find the prime numbers between the 2 to 10. Okay, so what will be the values? The values will be the 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, so these are the prime numbers. Already I discussed in the previous video how to solve this problem. Okay, if you want to know, go to that previous video. I can come back to this location, this place. Second one, what? Python code to swap the two numbers without using any another variable. Now what? You take x equal to 5, y equal to 7. Then so so this is the logic. Okay, already I told in the previous video, same. Okay, so x equal to 5, y equal to 7. Then what will happen? So run the code. So x equal to 5, y equal to 7 previously. Next one, what? It becomes x equal to 7, y equal to 5. Okay, like that. Second one. Now next one is the Python program to demonstrate the multiplication of a complex numbers. So this also I told in the previous video. Simply run the code. Okay, this is what? This is a function name. What is the function name? Function name is the multiple complex. Okay, mul complex. Z1 comma Z2 are the parameters. Z1 equal to 2 plus 3j, Z2 equal to 4 plus 5j. Okay, so when you multiplication, this will be the answer. Minus 7 plus 22j. Second program, Python program to demonstrate division of complex numbers. This also already I told in the previous video. So z1 equal to 2 plus 3j, z2 equal to 4 plus 5j. So what I am doing, so from here, always you make a note, the program starts execution from this location. Okay, from not here. Okay, so I am not starting the program execution here. Where I am starting? I am starting here. From this location I am starting the execution. So from here I am going to this place. Okay, z1 equal to 2 plus 3j, z2 equal to 4 plus 5j. So I am performing addition. Simply get the answer. What is the answer? So 0.5 something plus 0.0 into so on. So okay, that is what. Next one, what? Multiplication table. So this logic also I told in the previous video. So num equal to what? 12. You take num equal to 13. So I am printing the multiplication table for the 13 number. So this is the logic. Run the code. Okay, so in this way I am getting the output. Already I told in the previous video also. Okay, now coming to the operators. Okay, so in these operators, coming to the Python programming language, we are having the 6 types of operators. Okay, I'm taking a text is here. One is the arithmetic operator, comparison operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, assignment operator, and then special operators. Okay, for the bitwise I have taken the some next video. Why? Because this is very difficult. Okay, so for this only, for the bitwise I have taken. So how to solve the bitwise that operations I have taken in some new video. Okay, there you see. Okay, okay. Now come to first one, arithmetic operations. Very simple operation. Okay, so directly I'm taking, these are very simple. So x equal to 15, y equal to 4. So then what is arithmetic operation? X plus y, x minus y, x into y, x division by y. So run the code. These are already you know. Okay, arithmetic means what? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division operations. Okay, so run the code. This is the output I'm getting. Now coming to the floor operation. Okay, floor means, okay, I'm getting the, for example, 15. So what is this symbol? Two forward slashes. Okay, so then what? 2 15 by 2 2 7.5. Actually I got, what is the floor? Floor means you take this value, not this value. Okay, not this value. Okay, you have to take a previous value, that is called a floor operation. Now I'm taking one more. So print minus 15 floor by 2. What I have to take? So in the number representation, so this is the previous to the this number. Okay, actually when you divide minus 15 floor by 2, I'm getting this actually. Okay, you have to take floor. Floor means what? Take a previous number, that is minus 8 I have to print. Okay, that's what. Okay, run the code. 7 and then it is minus 8. Now coming to exponential. What is exponential? 3 square. Okay, 3 power 4, 2 power 4. That is what? Exponential operations. Simply you have to take two multiplication symbols. Then this will be the exponential operations. Okay. Now you take 2 square. What is 2 square? Which is equal to 4. That is what. Okay, that is all about the arithmetic operators. Now next one is the comparison operations. So what is a comparison operation? Simply you compare which is bigger, which is smaller, same, not equal to, like that. So what will be the output? This gives the true or false. This gives the true or false. I'm getting only 0 or 1. 0 means false, 1 means true. That is what a comparison. Okay, so now tell me, so 10 less than 20, true or false? It is true. I'm taking any two. So now I'm taking A equal to B. Tell me what is the meaning of this? I'm comparing A and B same or not. Okay, same? No. So false is the answer. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, they are different. Okay, not same. Okay, so I'm getting the false as the answer. Like that you have to perform the comparison operators. Okay, so run the code. So in this way I have to get the output. Okay, now coming to the logical operators. Okay, so A equal to true. True means what? True means it is 1. So B means then false is 0. So what is, already I told in the previous video for the truth table for the and or. Okay, not. Okay, so what is and means what? So 1 and 0, 0, 0 and 1, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 1 and 1, 1. Okay, so now tell me what is true and false? False. Okay, true or false? True. Not B. What is not? I'm having negation to false, true. Okay, that is what the logical operators. Now coming to bitwise operations. So in this, for this only for the bitwise operations I have taken a special video. You see there. Okay, why? Because this is very difficult. Okay, directly I'm getting the answers is very easy, but you have to do manually. So you refer to the previous video, there you know about the how to solve these answers. Simply I'm running the code now. Okay, A equal to 10, B equal to 4. Already I told how to convert A equal to 10 to the binary number, B equal to 4 to the binary number. Already I told in the previous video, you refer to that. Okay, run the code. I'm getting these are the answers. Okay, negation A also. Okay, if you take 13, tell me what will be the output? 13. What is the formula? Negation A equal to minus A minus 1. Okay, minus 14 will be the answer. Okay, like that. Okay, this also I told in the previous video, you refer to that. So right shift, that also you refer to previous video. Now coming to assignment operations. Okay, it means what is the meaning of assignment operations? I am assigning a this value 10 to the variable x, this value 5 to the variable y. That is what assignment operations. Okay, okay, that is what. Okay, now what is this? So when you write x plus equal to y, you may modify as x equal to x plus 5. This is same as this. Okay, then what will happen? X plus y, which is equal to 15, x equal to x minus 3, okay, y equal to y into 2. So this is about the assignment operation, simply your addition doing multiplication. For example, if you take, what is this? This is the modulus operator. What is the modulus operator? I am writing here. So what is the y value? Y equal to how much? 5 mod. Mod means you take symbol like percentage. So percentage 2. It means what? When you divide, okay, I'm erasing this to make proper. So what is 5 modulus 2? It means when you divide 5 with 2, what is the remainder? 2 to 4, 5 minus 4, 1. So 1 is the answer. Okay, that is what. Okay, okay. In this way, how to get all the outputs. If you want to, for example, if you want to get any one, now what you do? Here you make a comment. If I want to get this as the answer, so for remaining you make a comment. When you make a comment, this all will be deactivated. Okay, like that. Okay, now coming to the special operators in the Python. Now already you know. So coming to the Python, I am having two types of special operators. One is what? One is identity operators. Second one is the membership operators. So what is identity operators? Is not, in, not in. Okay, I'll take examples. Identity operators. Now you tell identity means, for example, same or not. Okay, same. Okay, now you see here, a equal to 1 2 3, b equal to 1 2 3. So a is b, false. Why? Because, okay, why I'm getting false is a is storing in different memory location, b is storing in different memory location, even though a and b having the same values. Okay, even though a and b having the same values, so they are different. The what is the meaning, what is the note is a and b are in the different locations, so they are not same. Even though they are looking different, they're they're not same, they're different. Okay, now uh, now you see here, a is c. Yes, why? Because c equal to a, it means what? Whatever the location a is sharing by the c also same. Okay, so then what? A and c is will be in the same location. Why? Because c equal to a. Okay, then a is c is the true, a is not b, yes it is true. And yes, no. So it means what? A and b is the, what is a and b? They're different. Is not, it means what? They are not identical, it is true. Okay, Sandeep. Okay, now coming to the membership operations. What is the membership operations? Very simple. 20 in this list, yes it is true. Okay, 50 is not in the in this list, yes it is true. Okay, yes or no? Yes. So true and true. Now coming to the unit 2 programs. Okay, unit 2 programs I'm discussing here. So they are very simple. Now coming to first program in the unit 2. Write a program to define a function with multiple return values. It means I have to return multiple values. Okay, not a single value. So now in this program, so what is the function name? Name. Okay, you take whatever function name you want. I'm taking a name. So I'm returning two values. One is John, second one is the Armin. So here, see here, first I am calling the name. Okay, say this is a function calling. Where I'm going to this location, return John and then Armin. Okay, second one, what? I'm taking two variables, name 1 and then name 2. Okay, so name 1 and name 2. Okay, so what I'm doing, using this I am calling the name function one more time. Then what? Name 1 equal to John, name 2 equal to Armin. Okay, first time I am printing as a like a tuple. Okay, that I'll discuss in the unit 4. So tuple means I'm in the brackets, I'm getting the answer. So like now in here, name 1 equal to separately I'm getting, name 2 equal to separately I'm getting actually. Okay, here in the tuple I'm getting as a single answer. That is what. Okay, so run the code. Okay, that is about the output. Now Python program to implement different types of arguments. Okay, now coming to the different types of arguments in the Python programming language, we're having the function arguments. What is the arguments? So a is argument, b is a argument. So see that you have to make a note, this is a function call. Okay, now you see here there is a indentation. Okay, what is indentation? That is very important. Okay, so these two statements belongs to this function, that is called indentation. Okay, so indentation. So now see, this statement doesn't belong to this function. Why? Because this is not indented. Okay, so what is indented? See, 1 2 3 4, some space is given here. Okay, by observation, some space is given here. Okay, it means these two belongs to this function, that is called indentation. Okay, now coming to our concept. So what is the add numbers? This is a function call. What are the parameters? 2. So a equal to 2, b equal to 3. What I'm performing? I'm performing the addition of two numbers, printing the sum. Okay, run the code. Sum equal to 5. Next one, function arguments with the default values. It means what? Okay, so when you take equal to in the function call, when you take equal to in the function call, no, like a equal to 7, b equal to 8, that is mean you are providing some default values. Okay, take a program here. First of all, I am calling the add numbers 2 comma 3. Okay, then what will be the output? A becomes 2, b becomes 3. What will be the output? 5 will be the output. Next time, second time, I am calling the function. Now tell me, what is the argument I am passing? A equal to 2. Now what is the default argument? B equal to 8. Okay, understood? See, here I am taking only one, I am passing only one argument. Now here, what is the default argument? B will be the default. A equal to 2, b equal to 8. What will be the output? Sum equal to 8 plus 2, 10. Next one. So now here I am not passing any arguments. Then what will be the default arguments? A equal to 7, b equal to 8, which is equal to 15 will be the answer. That is what default arguments. Okay, next one is Python keyword arguments. See, arguments are assigned based on the name of the arguments. Okay, in such scenarios the position of the arguments is doesn't matter. Okay, now I'll explain this. Now here, what is the function name? Display info. Okay, so what is the name of the argument? Last name equal to so and so name, first name equal to so and so. Now you see here, last name means this will be taken, first name means this will be taken. See, this is important. Okay, according to this, these values are taken, even though see here the position is different in the function calling. So here the position is different. It means what? Here I have taken a first name, I have taken last name here, but here I have taken the last name, first name here. Don't think about the position. What they have said, name of the arguments, that is what. Okay, it means what? So if it is a first name, take this one. If it is a last name, take this one. Simply print, I'm printing the so and so names. See, this is called function calling. Then where I will go? I will go to this location, do something. What I'm doing here, I'm printing the so and so names. That is what. Okay, next one, Python function with arbitrary arguments. What is the meaning of arbitrary? Some, for example, if I ask what is the count of your class, what you say? You tell some random number like 51, 41. Not exact number. You may tell exact number also. Sometimes you may tell some random number, that is called arbitrary when you don't know. Sometimes we don't know in advance the number of arguments that will be passed to into a function. Okay, take example. Now you see here, first of all, what is the function name here? It is find sum. If you want to give the arbitrary arguments, you have to use asterisk symbol. Okay, so this you have to give. Okay, star numbers. Okay, this is you take here whatever you want, but here you take asterisk. Okay, so if you want to make it as a arbitrary arguments, you have to add the star there. Then what? Result equal to 0. Then again, what I am doing? So num equal to numbers, result equal to result plus num. Now see here, find sum. Okay, so what is the arguments here? I am passing 3 arguments. Okay, so then what will be the numbers equal to 1 2 3. It means num equal to 1 first time, num equal to 2 second time, num equal to 3. Okay, that is what. Now you see one more example. So how many I am passing here? I am passing 2 arguments only. Here I am passing 3 arguments, here I am passing only 2 arguments, that is, so 4 comma 9. Then what will happen? So numbers equal to 4 comma 9, num equal to 4, num equal to 9, which is equal to 13 will be the answer. That is called arbitrary arguments. Here see, that is what the number of arguments I don't know. Here 3, here 2. Okay, in that way, in that time, what I have to give? You have to go for the arbitrary. okay, arguments. Simply add star. So you take whatever name you want. Okay, that is what in the output 613. Next one. So this I told in the previous video how to find the length of a string. Okay, 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 will be the output. Next one. So write a program to check if the substring is present in a given string or not. Okay, now come to the program. So string equal to you enter a some string. I am taking some dynamic string. Okay, next time what I am taking, I am taking one more string. Okay, some string. Now this is our my logic. What is the meaning here? For example, okay, whatever the string you are giving, if it is present, this is going to give the, okay, it's some positive value, okay. So then what will happen? Okay, if substring is present, sorry, if substring is not present, okay, if substring is not present, it is going to give the, okay, negative value -1. This this is a function find the substring in the main string. Then what? If it is not present, then what will be written? It is going to -1. -1 equal to -1. The substring is not found in the string. Okay, else the substring is present in the main string. Run the program. For example, if I take CSC second like this, enter. Now I am taking make, enter. So what will be the answer? Yes, the string is not present. Why? Because these two are not matching. So I'm going to give the -1 here. -1 is not equal to -1. Yes, condition true. String is not found in the substring. That is what. Okay. Next one. So next one, what? Write a program to perform the given operations using a list, addition, insertion, slicing. Now see here. See, always you have to make a note. List means nothing but a array. Okay, in the Python programming language, list means nothing but a array. So here you are able to store integer values, float values, or string values. That is called a list. Okay, so I'm taking empty list here. Next, now using a append function, I am going to add 1 2 4. Okay, so I'm taking some different name I am taking for a convenient purpose. So I'm taking a small l. Okay, to make away, because already I have executed this l. So then run the code. Now tell me what I'm adding here. So I'm adding 1 to 4 to the list. Okay, sorry, first I have to execute. So name is different. You take whatever name you want. Okay, now what? For the list I'm adding the 1 to 4. Okay. See what is the, it is empty list. I'm adding 1 to 4 using append function. Okay, in the exam they may ask like this. You have to write like this. Okay, second one. Now what? I am adding the some list. So you write l here. Okay, you write small l here. Then what? I am adding the, so what is the range of 1 comma 4? 1 comma 4 means 1 2 3. 4 minus 1 3 you have to take. Okay, 1 2 3 I am adding. So list I equal to 1 I am adding, I equal to 2 I am adding, I equal to 3 I am adding. Already I am having a 1 to 4. For this I am adding the 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, that is what. So already I have the 1 2 4. What I am adding? I am adding a 1 comma 2 comma 3. What is the range of 1 comma 4? I am taking a comment here, writing. So 1 comma 2 comma 3, this will be the range of 1 comma 4. You take -1, 4 minus 1 you have to take. Okay, next one, what? Now see here I am adding, you take different name here, list. Okay, you take list here. So now you take small l here. So run the code. Now what will happen? See, I am taking some string here. Okay, so for the, yes, 1 second. Okay, so for the 1 2 4 1 comma 2 comma 3 I am adding a for gigs. Okay, so this is the first list which I have. Second, what I have add this, I have add to the this. Next, what I am adding? I am adding the string for geeks to the this existing list. That is what append function. Okay, now second one, what insert. Okay, now 2 comma 45, I take different number, I'm taking 54 here. What is 2 comma 54? 0 1 2. It means in the place of 99 I am replacing 54. Okay, okay, 0 wait 1 second. Okay, sorry for interruption. So what is means, it is inserting a new, it is not replacing, it is adding a new value, not replacing. Sorry for that. Okay, 43 45. So here in between 45 and 99 I am adding the 54. Okay, that is what inserting the value into the list. Now under specific index, now what? Okay, 1 2 3 4. See at the 10th, okay, I'm adding the what value I'm adding the 4. Okay, so it means what? At the it means at the fourth index. Okay, at the fourth index I'm adding the 10. It means 1 2 3 4. Here I am adding the, okay, here I am adding the, so 0 1 0 1 2 3 4. So in between 4 and 5 I am adding the 10. That is what. Say you have to count from 0, not from 1. 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index, 4 index. It means here between 4 and 5 I am adding the value 10. That is what. Okay, next one. Now tuple I will discuss in the unit 4. Now okay, so this is tuple, this is a list. What I am adding? I am adding for this list as a tuple in the unit 4. Okay, so simply you run the code. Now see here, what is the output here? 1 comma 2. It means what? Tell me. So at the second location, I am adding the this. That is what? 0 1 2. In between 2 and 3 I am adding the tuple. So tuple also one type of a data structure in the Python programming language. Okay, now second one, what? So my list, it means what is the, this is called indexing. Okay, now if colon means what? I am printing starting to the ending. Now take 2. 2 means what? 0 1 2. From here I am printing all. 2 colon means start stop. Okay, from 2 means what? 2 means 0 1 2. From 3 to I am printing all. That is what. Okay, next one, before specific position, it means what? 2 means what? You have to take -1. 0 1 2. So you have to take previous one. 1 2 2 will 1 2 1 comma 2 will be the output. 2 means take previous one. Okay, that you have to make a note. But here don't take previous one, you take 0 1 2. From here I am printing in the above. Now here what I am printing? 2 means what? You take -1. It means 2 minus 1 1. It means 0 1. So 1 comma 2 will be printed in the output. Next one, get all the items. Okay, from now what is 2 count? What is 2 colon 4? 0 1 2. From I have to print from this. What is the 4? 4 means -1 3. What is the 3? 0 1 2 3. So 3. So I have to print 3 comma 4. That is what? 3 colon, sorry, 2 colon 4. Okay, next one, what? At specific intervals means what? So 2 times. Okay, 1, next print 3, next print 5. You skip this 2 4. Okay, you take second. Okay, 0, next second, next this 0 2 2 plus 2 4. Okay, I'm printing 1 3 1 3 5. Then what you take? Start stop 2 times. I'm 2 times. It means what? First, second, again this I'm skipping. Okay, that is what? Last one, start stop. Okay, specific intervals. That is what. Okay, last program in the unit 2. Now I am taking the how to find the length of a list. Simply you take a one list, 10 5 20 15 comma 8. Length equal to how much? 5. Maximum element equal to 20. Minimum equal to 5. Sum equal to, it is 58. Sorting is, what is meaning of sorting? Nothing but a ascending order. Okay, using what? Sorted function. Okay, so run the program. This will be the output. So these are all the unit 2 programs. Okay, along with the unit 1 practicals. Okay.